Hi guys. So by now you should have gone through your Google form and you should have read your two articles on the roller coasters and the wild ride and answered your first question, which one you thought was more interesting and why. Um, you should have come up with the conclusion that a wild ride is much more interesting to read than roller coasters. And hopefully you guys kind of thought through that a wild ride, it's just more specific. It has more details. It gets into a specific ride, the Wild Goose Coast Chase Coaster, and generally just has some just more interesting details in it than the roller coasters. So what we're going to talk about today is taking an idea and taking it from being really broad and really big and bringing it in to be more specific. Because that's the way that your writing is going to be more interesting to your reader and is going to help you stay on topic. So one of the things that you can do to kind of help take your topic from really broad to narrow is to create one of these narrowing triangles. So I'm going to do an example here on this side for you, and then your job is going to be to go into your Google form and to continue down and to fill in these last three arrows for a wild ride. So, for example, if I was going to talk about snacks, all right, snack would be my really big, broad topic. So, this loads, there we go. So I would say snacks. Okay, that's super broad. Now, underneath snacks, there's a ton of different answers. You could have healthy snacks, you could have sweet snacks, you could have salty snacks, you could have before bed snacks, you could have all these kind of things. So I'm going to choose, and I'm going to say salty snacks. So again, I'm getting a little bit more specific, but still underneath salty snacks, we've got popcorn, you've got pretzels, you've got a whole bunch of other stuff. Trail mixes can be salty. So the list just goes on. So again, I'm going to go even more specific and I'm going to say pretzels. Okay, so again, we're kind of narrowing it down. And then, finally I have to say, okay, well, what type specifically, what am I thinking about for pretzels? Am I thinking Kelvin's pretzel twists? Am I thinking Auntie Annie's? Am I thinking, the big jumbo ones? What am I thinking? I'm thinking Annie's pretzels. So then now I've kind of, oh my goodness. Okay, so now I've started with snacks and now I've narrowed down my topic. So my paragraph, I know I'm going to talk about Annie's pretzels specifically. So your job is going to be to look at a wild ride and figure out how do they go from the very broad of places to have fun. They move on to amusement parks, right? So you're getting a little more specific. And then how do they get more and more specific as the paragraph goes on to tell you exactly what their topic is about. The other thing that you're going to do in here is you're going to talk about nouns and proper nouns. So really quickly, nouns is just a person, place, or thing. So for example, here, my nouns in this, in my side would be snack, salty, snack, generic, pretzel, right? A proper noun is a specific person, place, or thing. So for instance, in mine, my specific name of something is Annie's pretzels. Okay, so that's what you're going to do this morning as your warm-up. If you have any questions, let me know. Good luck.